Dubai, a modern wonder in the desert. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. Today, we will talk about Dubai. Dubai is one of the most famous cities in the United Arab Emirates, UAE. It is known for its modern buildings, luxury shopping, and exciting attractions. In this podcast, we will explore Dubai's history, culture, and the top 10 places to visit. Let's get started. History of Dubai. Dubai has a long history, but it became an important city in the 20th century. Before the discovery of oil, Dubai was a small fishing village and trading port. People in Dubai worked as pearl divers, fishermen, and traders. In 1966, oil was discovered in the area, and Dubai's economy grew quickly. The city used the money from oil to build modern buildings, roads, and many attractions. Today, Dubai is known as one of the richest cities in the world and has become a global hub for business, tourism, and luxury. Culture of Dubai. Dubai has a rich culture that combines old traditions with modern influences. It is a city where you can see both traditional Arabic customs and international styles. The city celebrates many cultural festivals, such as the Dubai Shopping Festival and the Dubai Food Festival. Dubai is also known for its hospitality and luxury. People from all over the world visit Dubai for its shopping malls, five-star hotels, and fine dining. The city is a popular destination for both business and leisure travelers. Top 10 places to visit in Dubai. Now let's explore the top 10 places to visit in Dubai. Number 1, Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, standing at 828 meters. It was completed in 2010 and is an icon of Dubai. Visitors can go to the observation deck on the 124th floor to enjoy stunning views of the city and the desert. Number 2, the Dubai Mall. The Dubai Mall, opened in 2008, is one of the largest shopping malls in the world. It has over 1,200 shops, as well as a large aquarium, an ice rink, and many restaurants. It is a popular destination for shopping and entertainment. Number 3, Palm Jumeirah. Palm Jumeirah is a man-made island shaped like a palm tree. It was built in 2001 and is home to luxury hotels, including the famous Atlantis, the Palm. Visitors can enjoy beaches, restaurants, and stunning views of the Arabian Gulf. Number 4, Dubai Fountain. The Dubai Fountain is located outside the Dubai Mall and is the largest choreographed fountain in the world. It was opened in 2009 and performs shows with music and lights every evening. The fountain is a beautiful sight to see at night. Number 5, Dubai Marina. Dubai Marina is a modern waterfront area with many skyscrapers, luxury apartments, and restaurants. It was developed in 2003 and has become a popular area for dining, shopping, and enjoying boat rides along the water. Number 6, Burj Al Arab. Burj Al Arab is one of the most famous hotels in the world. It was built in 1999 and is shaped like a sail. It is a luxury hotel located on a small island, and it is known for its opulence and stunning design. While the hotel is only open to guests, you can visit the nearby Jumeirah beach for great views of the building. Number 7, Dubai Creek. Dubai Creek is a natural saltwater creek that has been the heart of Dubai for centuries. It was the site of the original fishing village and trading port. Today, visitors can take a traditional boat ride called an abra to explore the area and see the city's old buildings and markets. Number 8, Dubai Miracle Garden. The Dubai Miracle Garden is the largest flower garden in the world, with over 45 million flowers. It was opened in 2013 and is a beautiful place to visit, especially in the winter months when the flowers are in full bloom. Number 9, Dubai Museum. The Dubai Museum is located in Al Fahidi Fort, which was built in the 18th century. The museum opened in 1971 and offers a glimpse into the city's past. You can learn about Dubai's history, including its transformation from a small fishing village to a modern metropolis. Number 10, Global Village. Global Village is an entertainment and cultural park that opened in 1997. It features pavilions from countries all over the world, offering food, shopping, and cultural performances. It is a fun place to visit for people of all ages. Interesting facts about Dubai. Dubai is home to the world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa. The city has more than 200 nationalities living in it. Dubai has the world's largest indoor ski resort, Ski Dubai. The Dubai Fountain is the world's largest choreographed fountain system. The Palm Jumeirah is the world's largest man-made island. Conclusion: Dubai is a city of modern wonders, luxury, and innovation. It is a place where you can experience the best of both tradition and modernity. Whether you are interested in shopping, sightseeing, or enjoying stunning architecture, Dubai has something for everyone. Thank you for listening to our podcast. I hope you learned more about Dubai. Don't forget to share our podcast with your friends. See you next time.